Lean From has an interesting module, and it is called From Entries. From Entries lets you store and manage every contact from 7 submission right from your WordPress admin dashboard. To activate this feature, first we need to go Lean Froms, then click on the modules. And we need to enable the From Entries. We have successfully enabled the From Entries. Then click the entries, and as you can see here that currently we have no entries. That means no data. We need to submit some contact from, and this from data will appear here. This is our contact from of this following website. First, I enter a name, first name and last name, email, I'm adding here, for example, this is not a real email. No subject. This is a message. This is another. Then submit it. And we will submit another from Jane Doe. Jane at @email.com. I do not want to say anything. Hit the submit button. We have submitted to contract forms data. Now let's see how the entries work. Reload the following page. As you can see here, there have been 2 entries appeared. First one is John and second one is Jane. From the action, we can view the entry, mark as read, mark as spam, and we can delete this entry. First of all, we want to view this entry. As you can see here, name and all data has been appeared. Hit it closed. And same also here. And we want to mark 1 with spam. And we are hitting the delete button. Okay. As you can see here, rather than relying solely on email notification, you can access, organize, and export all submission from a single centralized location.